Roger Federer won his 100th career singles title on Saturday, joining Jimmy Connors as the only man to ever hit triple-digit titles. Ali HAIDER, EPA-EFE, Rex, ShutterstockRoger Federer reached a momentous milestone on Saturday, becoming just the second male player to win 100 singles titles after American Jimmy Connors, who won 109. Federer reached title number 100 with a 6-4 win over Stefanos Tsitsipas at the Dubai Duty-Free Tennis Championships. The numbers behind Federer's milestone accomplishment are staggering, as was the reaction on Twitter, from Connors to Rod Laver and Billie Jean King to James Blake and Lindsey Vonn. Here are some of the best stats and social reaction to Fed's big moment. Federer's 100 titles by the numbers player titles: Martina Navratilova 167, Chris Evert 154, Jimmy Connors 109, Steffi Graf 107, Roger Federer 100 ** includes 2019 Dubai. Here are some of the best numbers behind Federer's 100 singles titles, courtesy of ESPN Stats. That's tied for the longest streak by a man in the Open era. Rafael Nadal has an active streak of 15 straight seasons with at least one singles title, 33, two-level titles since 30th birthday, second most in Open era behind Rod Laver's 44, 4 major titles since 30th birthday, tied for most in Open era. Social reaction to Federer's 100th title: welcome to the triple-digit tournament victory club at Roger Federer. I've been a bit lonely, glad to have the company. Jimmy Connors at Jimmy Connors, March 2, 2019. Heartiest congratulations at Roger Federer. Winning 100 titles during your unbelievable career is a truly mighty achievement. I expect more to come this year and beyond. How come you only won 10? That's like none. Thanks Roger, for making me look bad in front of my kids. Congrats, James Blake at JRBlake, March 2, 2019, at Roger Federer 100 points titles pic.twitter.com/1FM08A4QC, Marty Fish at MartyFish, March 2, 2019, Fed again. History maker .100 for at Roger Federer. A gift that keeps on giving. And 100 overall. Congratulations to at Roger Federer on hoisting his 100th career trophy in Dubai. Congratulations trophy.